over here on these Ecotech motors. I don't know why this even keeps happening, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a second. But anyways, we're replacing a hose. But first we need to remove these 230s. There's 3 of them. Alright, now, I wasn't even going to make this video, but since, unfortunately, I've seen this more than one time, I figured I would. So, you want to definitely check back here. It's hard to tell on camera, but there's a lot of just oil residue, just dried up. It's been cooking on top of this intake area, and essentially, look at this hose. I've seen it. I don't know what makes them do it. But you just turn that, you pull this out, see how it's full of oil? And then same thing, we got 2 more connectors on this one. Oh, get something to pry that off. Alright, this is the best area I can get you. So tough. Alright, let's pop that one off, and then there's one more right here. You'll see more later. There. See how that just came apart? It shouldn't come apart. Here's what it looks like. Here's that piece. And then, it's not the first hose I've seen split. Again, I don't know what causes it. Maybe just the heat over time. Because these are just, it's like a plasticky, I don't know, it doesn't even feel like rubber. Alright, so there's that. Now, while we got this off, we're going to replace this valve right here. I want to try to do this without removing this upper part of this intake. There we go. 10mm ratchet wrench. That's what it looks like. Get you a pretty new one. Wow. There we go. Alright, that's nice and tight. You do have another one over here, which we don't actually have at the moment. They did not have one in stock. So we'll just see if this will take care of it. And here's your nice new hose. See, no more cracks. Looks really pretty. And we're just going to snake this around. Let's go 1. Wow. Definitely do this while the engine's cool. It'll make this a lot easier. Here you kind of gotta line up at the same time. I'm gonna have to come back when the car's not hot. Now that my hands aren't frying, I got this one put on and this one, and then we're just going to snake our way back here and done. Now we'll run it and we'll give them some time with it and make sure that there's no more leaks, no more cracks. Like I said, So if you got an oil leak back here, definitely check that out. Again, I've seen this on more than one of these 2.5s. Hope this video helped. Like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.